The next setting that we are going to see is discussion settings. Choose discussions under the setting panel in the left side panel. The first three options are the default article settings in the discussion settings. The first one is when we link another website in our post, WordPress will attempt to notify that blog to which we link to. This is useful in case of news blogs, etc., but not in case of e-commerce sites. So untick it. The second option is just the reverse. When other websites link to our post, it will add a link to that website as pinbacks or trackbacks in our posts. It's same as I said for the previous one. It's good for news blogs but not for e-commerce sites. So untick it. The next setting is allowing people to post comments on new articles. In e-commerce sites, if we publish articles, we need them to look neat. So untick this option too. Let's come to other comment settings. Comment author must fill out name and email. Actually, we need our reviewers to review the product only after buying it or using it. We cannot allow anonymous users to review or post reviews. In such cases, if you consider comments as reviews, we should allow only registered users who have already logged in to comment. So, take this second option. The third option is to close comments on articles older than 14 days. This doesn't apply to us, so just leave it as it is. The next one is a threaded comment. That is, if someone wants to reply to the comment that the earlier person has posted, then threaded comments or nested comments arise. But in case of e-commerce website, it doesn't apply, so just disable this option. The next setting is to break comments into multiple pages. Well, this is if we get hundreds of reviews for a product, we don't want that particular items page to get very long. So breaking into multiple pages looks nice. So tick this option. Then if you click the last option, the recent comments will appear in the top or first page, and the older comments will go to the previous or last pages. The following setting or notification settings, whenever someone posts a comment, and if your e-commerce site is just starting out, you may be interested in each and every comment, but when number of comments increase, it may be much annoying. So at that time, just untick this option. In case of e-commerce site, we cannot moderate each and every review or comment that the user posts, but we can remove a spam comment after it's been posted. So we are not going to hold any review for moderation. So this setting is meaningless and untick it. The second option is that the comment author should have a previously approved comment. That should not be the case, so untick it. Hold a comment in queue if it contains 2 or more links. This can be controlled. A reviewer should or should not post link in the comment. So you can even reduce it to 1 if you wish. This box is an inclusion box. That is, if you enter a word here and if that word is typed by a commenter or reviewer, then his comment will be held in moderation queue. That's best for some cases, such as you may enter certain non-parliamentary words here, and if the commenter or reviewer posts those words, then his comment will be held in moderation queue. This option is similar to comment moderation, except that if the words he uses in his comment matches with this box, then his comment, instead of being held in the moderation queue, it will be marked as spam. The last option is the avatars. That is, we can display a thumbnail image for the person's email. By default, the images are taken from Gravatar, but if the person doesn't have Gravatar icon, then the default image that we choose here will be appearing on the comments. We have changed several options, so click Save Changes. One more thing you should know regarding the discussion settings. This is the default discussion option that is available in WordPress. But we can use different comment systems such as Facebook comment or Discuss comment systems, or we can also use several other plugins to change these comments into reviews. We will see those options in the forthcoming lectures.